Hi, SATO48-2014 Filmmakers. Here is an introduction to your team panel film cast, crew, and nominations page. You access this by logging in and then clicking on your name, and you'll see Team Panel is one of your drop-down options. The first tab here is Info, and this you can read the instructions, and it's a page that collates all the information that you put in under film, cast, crew, and nominations, and we'll come back to that. You see I already have one film in here, film title 1, and a description of your film 1. So if we go to film, this is where you would input the actual name of your film. You click on edit, and let's say we're going to change this to film title, Your Film, and a description of film 1, Your Film. And let's say it is 4 minutes and 30 seconds long. And then you click save. Always remember to click save every time you make a change. And you get a confirmation that the film was updated. And if you go over here to info, you will see that film title, Your Film, and the description of Your Film 1, Your Film has been updated. So that's a good way to confirm that. So that's the film tab. The next tab is cast and crew, and this is where we have a big change from previous years, and this should make creating your cast and crew list and assigning nominations much easier. So you click here on the Add New Crew Member tab, and we're going to call this first name Crew Member 1, and their last name is 1, and their email is crew1@crew1.com, and their street address is 1 Crew Way, and their address line 2 is 1, and they are in Springfield, Missouri. 11111 is their zip code, and their phone number is 111-111-1111. Now here under the username optional link, you can put in another crew member's username or their email, and if they have a user account in the database, they will become linked to this file. So we'll put in my username there, put in a username of somebody that you know from your team, and we click save. And you can see here that crew member 1 has been added, and if you needed to go back in and edit any of the information, you click on this button. And let's say that the crew member decided that they wanted to be called Silly Member 1. They've changed their name since you hung out with them. And click Save. And you can see here their name has been changed to Silly. So let's add another crew member so you can get a sense of how the nominations tab works. So we're going to add another crew member here, and this we're going to call 2 Crew, and their last name is 2 Crew, and you could link an email. My email is also in here. And click Save. Now we have 2 crew members, and the recommended way to do this is to sit down with all of your contact information and all of your crew members and enter them all at one time, saving in between each one, of course, and then confirming that they are on the list. Then you switch over here to the Nominations tab. And edit. And you'll see here is a list of every single nominee for which there is an award, all the way down to poster artist. And then you'll see there's also some additional crew member names, opportunities rather, down here. Concentrate obviously first on everything from poster artist up, since those are the categories in which you can win an award. So for producer, you click on the button for drop down, and there will be a whole list of your crew members that you've entered. So let's say Silly Member 1 is the producer you want to nominate, and for screenwriter you want to nominate Crew, 2 Crew, 2 Crew, and you would just march through every one of these, assigning a name from the drop-down list to your nominations, and of course every time please hit the save button, and there is your nomination for producer, Silly Member 1-1, and for screenwriter 2-2, Crew 2. Then if we go back over here to information, you'll see that under crew member and nominations, we have serial member 11 as the producer and 2 crew as the screenwriter. At the moment, the file upload button is not functional, but it will be by the time it is time to upload items. We hope you enjoy the new method for nominating your team members. Have a great SATO48 2014. Thank you very much.